How to write a cover letter.
First up, the heading. You want your full name right at the top in bold, followed by your phone number and a professional email address. If you've got a LinkedIn or personal website that's relevant to the job, include that too. Below that, add today's date, the hiring manager's name, the company name, and their address.
Next, the salutation.
If you can find the hiring manager's name, use it. If you can't find it, go with something specific like Dear Marketing Team or Dear Hiring Manager. Avoid those outdated, to whom it may concern greetings. Keep it fresh and professional.
Now, let's move on to the introduction. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Mention the job you're going for and where you found it. Show some genuine excitement for the role and the company. Something like, I'm thrilled to apply for the marketing manager position at ABC Corp as advertised on Indeed. The main content is in the body paragraphs. This is where you highlight your achievements and relevant skills. Use specific examples to show how you've excelled in previous roles. If you're writing a cover letter with no experience, we have a full video for that. I'll leave the link below.
Finish strong with a call to action. Remind them how you'll add value to their team, thank them for their time, and let them know you're eager to discuss the position further in an interview. And don't forget the pro sign-off. Use sincerely, best, or thank you, followed by your name. Make sure your letter looks sharp. Use professional fonts. Times New Roman and Arial are great choices. Keep it to one page and save it as a PDF.
And that's that. We have free cover letter templates for you to get started. You can find the link below.